I got this filter flosser because it is made of metal. Everything else out there is plastic. It's got a washer on this end. It's got a nice rubber handle. And then this middle section here has another washer. Really, really well constructed. It's got 17 holes on the top, and it cleans your pool filters, which is why you're wanting this thing. So I would highly recommend it. I give it a B plus or possibly an A minus, and I'll tell you why. First of all, it gets everything about 90% clean, but it saves me 3 times the amount of time. This entire thing, I've got 4 big cartridges, and I think I spent about 30 minutes this time. The first time I did it, it was almost an hour and a half. So I really think it's about 3 times faster, but it doesn't get it at 100%, but it is way beyond good enough for me. I'm happy with it. If you've got higher water pressure than I do, you'll be really happy with it. But even I, with the limited water pressure that I have, I'm pleased. So anyway, here's just a bunch of footage of me doing it. You can see it does a pretty good job. This is the second time I've cleaned it. So like the very first time, it was like spanking white, and when I cleaned it, it got almost all the way back to the white. These started out a little bit stained. They happen like that over time. But again, I'm really happy with it. It's got the spread with all 17 of the holes, but then also if you pull it back a little bit, you can get like a jet on there, which kind of blows out the filter a little bit more. It's great. It's great. So anyway, you can watch a little bit more, but overall, like I said, about a B plus, A minus. Really happy with it for the cost, and it saves me a ton of time.